Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to share a new item that I have in store. Before I get started, I would like to ask you to please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more videos from my channel. And if you haven't checked, I have a bead and craft store. It's beadcraftcheck.com. So you can go check it out. So I adding these boho charms to my store that I've made, and let me show you guys. So this one here, the total length of this one is almost 4 inches long, and this one is a boho bead or charm. I've seen a lot of people use these in their junk journals or journals. You can really use it in whatever you want. So I saw this off of a girl's channel. She has a tutorial. I've also made a tutorial, but I can do an updated one. But I will include the information of the person I got it from. I just don't remember her name because it was like, I think a year ago. And that way, you know, you can reference. So that's that one. Then I have this one. I will have 5 of these available. And this one is roughly about, it's almost the same length, 3.5 inches. So the other one is about the same as well. So this is just using an eye pen, seam binding. There's trim under there and charms, and these are some flat back gems that I got from Crafting with Fury. I got these from Diane. And then this little charm here is so stinking cute. I got it from Maria. I just felt like it was, you know, it needed to go there. So if I like, you know, I feel like if you get things, you know, and they inspire you to add to your projects, I think you should. So she makes these really cute, and these are so dang on perfect. I'm like, girl, they're so tiny. I can't make them so tiny, but that's cute. I love it. So that's one. That's the pink one. This is the B one. This is gonna be the B one, pink one, and yellow birdie. This one here. So cute. I'll have 5 of these as well. And same thing. Eye pin, little bird charm, seam binding, and I have wire on this one. Container. This is using the Sweet Story collection. I just fussy cut the heart, added a little sticker from the collection into it, and then in the inside I just added some shred. You can use these as a little gift for someone. If you don't use the charms as a gift, you can always use the little heart box. They're so cute. So yeah, I will link it in the description box below if you're interested. I really appreciate you guys on my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.